NASA has made a big revelation by opening that container, inside which valuable material brought from asteroid Bennu has been kept. After opening it, scientists discovered a shocking fact. What scientists have been waiting for a long time is now going to be revealed. Because friends, this sample has been brought from an asteroid far away from Earth, and the sample is filled with enough water and carbon, which provides valuable insights about the origin of life on our planet. Now let's look at why opening the container was such a challenge in the beginning, and what are scientists going to do next with these samples from asteroid Bennu. In today's video, I'll share all the latest information about this issue. Deep secrets about the solar system are about to be revealed, and we'll also discuss what we hope this mission will bring us in the future. You are watching Cosmic Discovery. Subscribe to see space-related knowledge. What was the key to NASA opening the sample? Delving deeper into the OSIRIS-Rex mission, short for Origin Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security Regolith Explorer, we find that it was launched in 2016 to collect and study samples from the asteroid Bennu. Bennu, a primitive and carbon-rich asteroid. Bennu makes one orbit around the Sun every 1.2 years. It makes one full rotation on its axis every 4.3 hours. Bennu makes a close approach to Earth every 6 years, although its exact distance from Earth during these approaches varies. Scientists believe it has the potential to provide organic molecules, water, and minerals that may have contributed to the formation of life on Earth billions of years ago. The mission also sought to evaluate the potential future threat of Bennu impacting Earth, with a slight probability estimated in the late 22nd century. In a notable achievement in October 2020, the Osiris-Rex spacecraft successfully conducted a brief visit to the surface of Bennu using a robotic arm and an instrument called the Touch-and-Go Sample Acquisition Mechanism, TAGSAM, to collect approximately 70 grams of material. Made the landing. After this, the spacecraft safely stored the samples in a capsule and set out on its 2-year journey back to Earth. The capsule landed safely in the Utah desert in 2023, where it was recovered and transported to the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. However, the joy of getting the samples back to Earth encountered a hurdle. The capsule was sealed with 4 metal fasteners that needed to be removed before scientists could access the samples. Scientists faced a major problem when standard tools developed by NASA proved ineffective in turning stuck fasteners. The team suspects that some of the sample material may have entered the space between the fasteners and the lid, creating strong friction that hindered movement. Quick action was critical to prevent further contamination or damage to the sample. The scientists didn't want to make any mistakes here, so in response, they decided to develop and test various devices designed to fit the narrow space between the fasteners and the lid. Care was taken not to apply excessive force or heat, as this could potentially damage the sample. The tools employed included a modified dental drill capable of cutting metal fasteners and a custom-made wrench designed to turn fasteners counterclockwise. Cameras and sensors were used to monitor the process to ensure smooth operations. Then finally, the day came for which the scientists were eagerly waiting, and to achieve it, they had to work hard day and night. After many attempts, success was finally achieved on Thursday, January 11th, 2024, and scientists successfully unlocked that sample. Dante Loretta, principal investigator for the OSIRIS-Rex mission, described the process as akin to solving a puzzle through constant trial and error after more than 3 months of struggle. The team is very happy to finally unveil the contents of the sample. Now the question arises that what will scientists discover from the sample? The capsule, which contains samples collected from Bennu by OSIRIS-Rex, goes beyond being a mere assortment of rocks and dust. It is a valuable source of information, providing important information about the origin and evolution of our planet and other rocky worlds. Provides clues. Through this, scientists can also determine how life could potentially flourish on other planets. With a weight of approximately 60 grams, it exceeds the minimum requirement of 60 milligrams. This includes fine-grained materials like sand or gravel. It also contains organic molecules including amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of life. Scientists estimate that this sample is about 4.5 billion years old, which is around the time of our solar system's formation. It is exceptionally pristine, untouched by heat, radiation, or weather, making it different from most materials found on Earth. The sample is set to provide important insights into Bennu's history and composition, shedding light on its ability to support life. The sample of Bennu, a small celestial body, is important to scientists because it represents one of the oldest objects in the solar system. It is believed to be a leftover fragment of the protoplanetary disk that contributed to the birth of the planets. Carbon is a vital element for life, and Bennu is rich in carbon. Carbon is essential for life as we understand it because it has the ability to create intricate molecules capable of storing and transmitting information like DNA and RNA. The sample is poised to assist scientists in unraveling the mysteries surrounding the delivery of carbon to Earth and other planets, shedding light on whether it played a role in the origin of life. Furthermore, it will contribute to our understanding of the solar system's water dynamics. Water, a pivotal factor in shaping planetary surfaces and climates, will be scrutinized in Bennu's sample to measure its quantity and isotopic composition. This data will be compared with water samples from Earth and other celestial bodies. Additionally, scientists aim to take advantage of this sample to evaluate the potential threat of Bennu's impact on Earth in the future. Bennu, recognized as a potentially hazardous asteroid, has little risk of hitting Earth in the late 22nd century. This information can guide us in refining Bennu's orbit and trajectory, leading to a deeper understanding of its mass density and composition. The collected samples will be safely stored at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, and carefully analyzed. NASA has outlined plans to distribute parts of the sample to different laboratories around the world to facilitate broader research. Some of the focus areas of these investigations include understanding the origin of water and organic matter on Earth, exploring the role of asteroids in the evolution of life, and assessing the potential of asteroids for future exploration and resource utilization. Thomas Zurbuchen, Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate, expressed the significance of this moment, saying, "This is a historic achievement for NASA and the entire scientific community. We eagerly look forward to uncovering the secrets that the sample holds and how it will continue to grow as our understanding of the solar system advances." It is believed that Bennu's origin took place in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter due to the gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies, gradually bringing it closer to Earth over time. What is OSIRIS-Rex's next target? While the samples are being studied on Earth, the OSIRIS-Rex spacecraft will continue its journey in space. During this complex journey, OSIRIS-Rex will approach the Sun, where it was originally designed to go. In this process, NASA's spacecraft will pass near Venus and then once again pass near Earth. After this extensive journey, it will reach Apophis asteroid. It is believed that the spacecraft will reach the Apophis asteroid by April 9, 2029. Unlike Bennu, OSIRIS-Rex's will not collect any samples from Apophis this time. However, for about 18 months, the spacecraft will study the asteroid as it flies through space. It will collect data on its size, shape, composition, and orbit. The study involves photographing the asteroid and mapping its surface. The Apophis asteroid is Earth's nearest neighbor. This is a 1,100 feet high rock, which was once thought to hit the Earth by the year 2068. However, recent research has shown that there is no danger of Apophis colliding with Earth. Apophis will come close to the Earth on the 13th of April 2029, and during this time, its distance will be 32,000 kilometers. Scientists will get more information about this from this encounter. Apart from this, it will also throw light on the development of the solar system. If Apophis hits Earth, the impact would be equivalent to the explosion of 88 million tons of TNT. Do you have any thoughts or questions regarding this mission? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Thank you for tuning into this video.